Hi guys and welcome to my channel. So the question for today is, why would you need batting inside of a quilt? Let me show you my very first quilt I ever made. So it's not without its errors. It was my very first quilt and I was being very adventurous with the border, and it did stretch out because I did a lot of this on the bias and it kind of it didn't turn out in a rectangular shape too well. And the reason why I'm telling you about this particular quilt is because I originally didn't put batting inside the middle, and I liked a free motion quilt. One of the reasons why I started quilting is because I wanted to get into free motion quilting. So when I first made this quilt, I attached some fireside on the back of it, which is kind of like, it's hard to explain, a little bit like a minky, so it's a little bit fluffy, and I thought that would be okay, like a cheap way of getting into the quilting. So I had all of my front side all done, and I attached the fireside to the back, and I didn't put any batting in the middle. And then I thought, oh, it's okay, way to go, and started free motion quilting. Now the problem is that there wasn't any stabilisation in between them two layers. So the batting doesn't just act like to keep you warm, it also acts as a stabilisation if you really want to get ahead and start doing some free motion quilting work. So your batting in quilting, it acts as a really good layer in between the two. So the story about this quilt, I free motion quilted it and it knotted on the back. It was a horrible mess. So between me and a group of friends, we managed to unpick all of this quilt. I think this quilt is like a double size. So yes, I wanted to make sure that I did my first quilt properly. So I undid all the backing off it and I reattached some cotton batting, and then I was able and put in between layers the batting, the quilting batting, and I was able to get this final end result. So batting in between the layers of your quilt sandwich not only offers warmth, but it also offers some stabilisation for your free motion quilting. Hope this clarifies why you would need batting inside of a quilt. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss my next video. Thank you so much. Bye guys!